best nuts that help you sleep better. Hello, dear listener. Tonight, let's talk about peace, rest, and relaxation. Sometimes after a long and tiring day, sleep just doesn't come easily. Our mind is full of thoughts, our body feels heavy, and our heart is restless. In such moments, a little help from nature can make a big difference. And one of nature's simplest gifts for better sleep is nuts. Nuts aren't just energy boosters. They can also act as natural sleep aids. Today, we'll explore the top 5 types of nuts that can help you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. 1. Almonds, the calm within. For centuries, almonds have been known as the sleep fruit. They're packed with melatonin and magnesium, 2 key nutrients for relaxation. Melatonin helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, while magnesium relaxes your muscles and calms the nervous system. When your body is calm, falling asleep becomes much easier. Several studies have shown that eating just 5 to 7 almonds before bed can significantly improve sleep quality. If you eat them with a glass of warm milk or water, the effect becomes even stronger, soothing your body from the inside. 2. Walnuts, the natural sleep hormone. Walnuts are one of the best natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids and tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your brain produce serotonin. Serotonin later converts into melatonin, which means walnuts help your body create its own sleep hormone naturally. Eating just 2 to 3 walnuts before bed not only improves sleep, but also supports heart health and reduces stress. That's why walnuts are one of the best choices for peaceful nights. 3. Pistachios, the melatonin champion. Most people don't know this, but pistachios are actually one of the richest natural sources of melatonin. Just a small handful of pistachios can raise melatonin levels in your body, helping you relax and fall asleep faster. They're also rich in B vitamins and antioxidants, which reduce fatigue and strengthen the nervous system. If you've had a long and stressful day, a few pistachios in the evening can help your body unwind and prepare for a deep, restful sleep. 4. Brazil nuts, the stress shield. Brazil nuts are full of a powerful mineral called selenium. Selenium helps reduce oxidative stress, supports your immune system, and promotes emotional balance. However, you should eat them in moderation. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day is enough, because they contain a high amount of selenium. That small portion is all your body needs to calm your nerves, reduce anxiety, and prepare for rest. 5. Cashews, gentle relaxation in every bite. Cashews are not only delicious, but also soothing for the nervous system. They're packed with zinc, magnesium, and tryptophan, nutrients that help your brain relax and balance your mood. If you've had a busy or stressful day and your mind just won't slow down, a handful of cashews in the evening can help your body loosen up and release tension. Additional tips for better sleep. Now that you know which nuts can help you sleep, let's talk about how and when to eat them for best results. Eat nuts about 1 hour before bedtime. Choose unsalted and unroasted nuts for maximum benefit. Combine them with warm milk or honey for a stronger sleep effect. Keep your portions small. Too many nuts can feel heavy on your stomach. And remember, avoid bright lights, screens, and loud sounds before bed. Even the healthiest foods won't help if your mind is overstimulated. Create a calm, dark, and peaceful environment, and let your body naturally drift towards sleep. Closing words. Sleep is not just rest. It's your body's way of healing itself. When you sleep well, your mind becomes clearer, your mood improves, and your energy returns. Nature has given us simple ways to find that peace, and nuts are one of them. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, Brazil nuts, and cashews. Each of them carries a quiet strength that helps you unwind. So tonight, before you go to bed, try having a few nuts with a warm drink. Feel your heartbeat slow down, your breathing deepen, and your body gently drift into a calm, peaceful sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy living tips. Sleep well and wake up refreshed.
How to eat nuts for better sleep. The right way to use nature's sleep secret. Hello and welcome back, dear listener. In our previous video, we discovered how certain nuts, like almonds, walnuts, pistachios, Brazil nuts, and cashews, can help your body relax and fall asleep naturally. But did you know that the way you eat these nuts can completely change how well they work? Yes, timing, preparation, and combinations all matter. Tonight, we'll dive deeper into the how. How much should you eat? When should you eat them? And what's the best way to prepare these nuts so that your body absorbs their sleep-enhancing power fully? So take a deep breath, find a comfortable place, and let's explore the art of eating nuts for a peaceful, restorative sleep. 3 o'clock 1. The best time to eat nuts for sleep. Timing is everything. Nuts are filled with healthy fats and minerals, but they also take time to digest. So, eating them at the right moment is key. The ideal time to eat nuts for better sleep is about 1 hour before bedtime. This gives your body enough time to start digesting and releasing nutrients like melatonin, magnesium, and tryptophan, all of which signal your brain that it's time to rest. If you eat nuts too close to bedtime, your stomach might still be active while you're trying to sleep, which can make you feel heavy or bloated. So remember this simple rule. Alarm clock, eat your nuts between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. if you plan to sleep around 10 o'clock. This 1 hour window is when your body starts naturally increasing melatonin production. By adding nuts at this time, you're working with your body's rhythm, not against it. 2. How to combine nuts for maximum effect. Each nut has its own superpower, but when combined correctly, they create a natural synergy that helps you relax even more. Here's a few combinations you can try.
Almonds, walnuts, pistachios. This trio provides magnesium, omega-3, and melatonin, the perfect blend for a calm nervous system. It's ideal after a stressful day or when your mind feels restless. Almonds, Brazil nut, cashews. The Brazil nut adds selenium for emotional balance, while cashews provide tryptophan and magnesium. Together, they help your brain produce serotonin and melatonin more efficiently. Almonds, walnut, teaspoon of honey, glass of warm milk. This combination isn't just food, it's comfort in a cup. Honey helps release serotonin, milk adds tryptophan, and the nuts complete the perfect natural sleep formula. You can blend them lightly or eat them whole, but always in small portions. A handful is more than enough. 3. How to prepare nuts the right way. Raw nuts are healthy, but sometimes your body can digest them even better when they are soaked or lightly warmed. Soaked nuts. Soaking nuts overnight softens their texture and removes certain natural compounds like phytic acid that can block nutrient absorption. This means your body can absorb more magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, all of which promote deeper sleep. To prepare soaked nuts. 1. Put your almonds, cashews, or walnuts in a small bowl. 2. Add warm, not boiling, water, just enough to cover them. 3. Leave overnight or for at least 6 hours. 4. Drain the water and gently pat them dry before eating. The result? Softer, sweeter, and easier to digest nuts that nourish your body quietly through the night. Lightly roasted nuts. If you prefer a crunchy texture, lightly roast the nuts in a dry pan or oven, but keep the temperature low. Roasting them for a few minutes at around 150 degrees Celsius 300 degrees Fahrenheit releases their natural aroma, without destroying important nutrients. Avoid salted or flavored nuts. Sodium can raise your blood pressure and reduce sleep quality. Always choose play. 4. Healthy additions that boost sleep even more. You can also pair your nuts with other natural foods to enhance their sleep benefits. Here are a few great options. Warm milk. Contains tryptophan and calcium, both of which support melatonin production. Drinking it warm adds comfort and signals your body that bedtime is near. Honey. Honey raises insulin slightly, helping tryptophan enter the brain more easily. Just half a teaspoon mixed with nuts or milk can make a big difference. Bananas. Rich in potassium and magnesium, bananas prevent nighttime cramps and balance the nervous system, a perfect partner for nuts. Chamomile or lavender tea. Herbal teas calm your mind and reduce anxiety. while nuts provide the nutrients for a stable sleep cycle. Together, they form a gentle, natural sleep remedy. 5. How much to eat? When it comes to nuts, less is more. They are calorie-dense, meaning a small amount provides a lot of energy. Too much can feel heavy and disturb digestion, especially at night. Here's a balanced guide. Type of nut: ideal bedtime portion. Almonds 5 to 7 pieces. Walnuts 2 to 3 halves. Pistachios 4 to 5 pieces. Brazil nuts 1 to 2 pieces. Cashews 4 to 6 pieces. That's all you need for your body to receive enough magnesium, melatonin, and selenium. If you wish, you can rotate them, almonds one night, pistachios the next. Or mix them gently as part of your nightly ritual. 6. Creating a peaceful night routine. Food works best when your environment supports it. Eating nuts for sleep is more than nutrition, it's a calming habit that prepares your body for rest. Here's a simple night routine you can follow. 1. Around 8 p.m., prepare your small portion of nuts. 2. Dim the lights in your room. 3. Put away your phone or switch it to silent mode. 4. Play soft music or natural sounds. 5. Take each bite slowly, mindfully, feel the texture, the taste, the calm that follows. 6. After finishing, drink a warm beverage, milk, tea, or just water.